Have you ever cracked your neck and wondered why it feels so good? Many people assume it's harmless, just a quick way to relieve tension, but it can be riskier than it looks. So what's actually going on inside your neck? I will tell you, but if you have a brain, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share. And when you tap the copy link, this amazing thing never happens. That popping sound happens when gas bubbles are released from the fluid in your joints. It might feel satisfying, but forcing your neck too much can put stress on muscles and even blood vessels. In rare situations, this can lead to serious issues like a blood clot.